This is an oil change on a 2015 Dodge Journey with a Purolator 1PL36296. And we're using a 24 millimeter socket to open the oil filter with a Yayi torque wrench to make sure it's torqued to 25 Newton meters. And so you could do it yourself at home. Easy, easy, easy. So this one's not the usual, the 24 millimeter socket. Okay, makes it easy. So it's written 25 Newton meters on the filter housing too. So before we drain the oil, I just want to make sure that we can open the oil filter. Easy, makes it so easy. Need this one. Oops, see, still full. Look at that. Just pull out the old one. And then there's also the O-ring that you have to remove. I'll just show you the new one. I'll take that one. Just want to compare the new one with the old one. Filters line up. This is the O-ring. Pop it on. You just gotta make sure it's not really visible, but you need to remove this O-ring that's a little bit loose now. Okay. I'm gonna use the old oil to lubricate the O-ring. Throw it back on. Right on that lip on the bottom that's thicker than the other spaces. There you go. More visible than the original black one. There you go. That's what the filter looks like. Just make sure the O-ring is properly set. And I'll clean it once I reinstall it. Put it back on. Seat it by hand so it's not cross-threading. Okay. Clean up here. Go. Now I'm going to switch to the torque wrench, 25 Newton meters on the Yayi, so you can see all the settings. I have it preset. It's between, over here, 27.1 and 23.7, so right in the middle. Use the provided extension that came with the kit. Press down on the locking in place. Here we go. Super easy. You make sure it doesn't crack the plastic housing. So once it clicks, that's it. And that's the oil change on a 2015 Dodge Journey with the Purolator filter, the Yayi torque wrench, and the 24 millimeter socket.